Good morning, Miss Sunshine. I'm Eunice and I'm gonna be your aide today and I will be doing your foot care. But first, let me provide privacy. Make sure the bed is lock and low, level position. And now I'm gonna go ahead get the basin water. I'm gonna check the water. And can you please check the water temperature, please? And I'm gonna put gloves on. I'm gonna expose one leg. I'm gonna take the socks. Gonna put the towel. And I'm gonna set the basin water on the top of the towel. Now I'm gonna support and lift her leg while I slide the towel and the basin into position. And now I'm gonna wet the towel and put soap. Now I'm gonna wash it between the toes and dispose. I'm gonna rinse between toes. And now I'm gonna dry her foot and dry it in between the toes. Now I'm gonna apply the lotion to the top and bottom. Without touching between the toes. I'm gonna remove the towel. I'm gonna dispose. And then I'm gonna dump the water. I'm gonna rinse. Dump. And dry the basin. And now I'm gonna place the basin in designation dirty area. I'm gonna remove my gloves and dispose it in waste container. And here's your coli. Do you need anything else?
No.
No. Again, I'm gonna make sure the bed is lock and low, level position. I'm gonna wash my hand and scale complete.